This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. You know that show? Today, I got something from Japan. This is from an umai crate. Go to japancrate.com and use the coupon code THERAMENRATER for a discount. A handsome one at that. Today we've got one from a company called, it's spelled Toei. Toei? This is their Shoyu Hyashi Chuka. So this is a cold noodle. It's perfect for summer. And yeah, you basically dress it up. Usually when I've had Chuka, it's kind of like, it's got a nice sweetness to it. It goes really good with the cold noodle. Let's see, it is 3 minutes to drain and then slap it in, right? Yeah. 3 minutes, drain and rinse with cold water. 3 minutes. Liquid sachet. Kind of thin. It's almost, the trick with this stuff is you're supposed to like throw a bunch of veg in with it. And I've got lots of veg that I just got. I went to the store this morning. I braved the massive hordes. Actually, it was pretty empty this morning. I got a tomato and a cucumber. Yeah, so I've got a couple other things that'll go well with it. So what's new? I guess this week we're gonna find out what the status is for our school district and fall. I'll be dead honest. We really... It's almost August. I think school starts mid-September. Things ain't looking bright for the future in the US of A, folks. So I don't know. And one thing they said, they wanted kids that were young and had IEPs. A lot of kids with IEPs are going to have disabilities and things like that. They're thinking in the first phase we'll send all those kids back first. It's like, no. No, I'm sorry. My brother lives in Israel, and the order that he is, I think it's called an order. Sorry if I got that wrong. He's very religious, and the rabbi said, yeah, the government wants everybody to send their little ones there first. No, you don't have to do that. Don't do that. Let them experiment on their own kids first. It's like, yeah, dude, I hear that. It's just, that's crazy. I mean, the way I see it, I really would rather my kids didn't go back to school until they got a vaccine. 6 months, better than dead forever. That's the way I see it, so. Although, I don't know. I just don't know. And not knowing with all the crappy information that comes out this way and that way, and people like willfully disobeying laws because they feel very self-righteous and entitled. It's my blah 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 amendment right not to have to do anything I don't want to do. It's like, oh boy, get past yourself, people. Come on. I can see George Washington slapping you aside the head, you know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. I don't want to do that! No! I don't want to do it! Come on, Stuart. Anyways. So, we gotta drain the noodle, as it were. And we gotta rinse it. Cold water chicken. So normally what would happen is you'd take this stuff and you'd pour it in a bowl and then you'd like go with this. However, I don't get to do it that way because I got to review it. But it'll work out. Let's get this in there. Quite a bit of it. I got a nice wide flat dish that I'll be using. So, let's see what we got here. This really is not a lot to see. Basically got a noodle. Got some. Hi Miles, how you doing? Orange. What? Yellow, okay. Let's give this a try. It's good. Hyashi kind of ends up being very much like a salad dressing. Okay. Now for the vegetable and meat action. Some tomate. Some this stuff. Another nice thing to add in is meat. I'm going with ham. Oh, speaking of ham, Miles and Mimi are hamming it up out there with their anger competition. So Mimi is yelling because she wants the blue tablet. The blue tablet and the pink tablet are exactly the same. One's blue, one's pink. Now you know. Add on some oh boy, good children. It's supposed to be a nice day. We talked about this morning, guys. Oh, children. Now. You'll have to pardon the children. Hopefully they don't end up being this violent as they grow older, and the president will have to pardon them. Rowdy little suckers. All right. Did you guys work it out? Everything good? All right. Mimi answered in the affirmative. So she must have gotten what she wanted. That's about as good as we're gonna get. We'll do that. Let's let Rotato work its ever-loving magic. on a Tuesday at 1:37 p.m. It's a balmy 78 degrees outside here in downtown Kenmore, Washington, where courtesy is contagious. And actually, it's treated contagious, so there's a lot of distancing between people and courtesy. Let's rotate. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen, wishing you enjoy your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.